So let us say we are measuring an angle theta in the first quadrant. We can use this line formed between the horizontal axis and the angle to draw in a right-angled triangle. And we can name the coordinate where this line stops as r, and r has an x and a y value. The x value of r would be represented on the x-axis, and the y value of r is the vertical line of the triangle. And lastly, we can name the hypotenuse r because it represents the radius of a circle that moves right around the Cartesian plane. Now sine of theta would be the length of the opposite side, which is y, divided by the hypotenuse, which is r. So sine theta is y over r. Cosine of theta is the adjacent side of a right-angled triangle divided by the length of the hypotenuse. So in this example, it is x over r. And the tangent of theta is the length of the opposite side divided by the length of the adjacent side. So in this example, it is y over x.